Welcome back to Primetime Sports Sunday. Now, as the COVID-19 pandemic continues to impact on every sector, Jamaica's athletes will be among those that will see a major dip in their earnings. The Jamaican government, which had committed to helping athletes preparing for the Olympic and Paralympic Games, curtailed the move after making one payment after the Games are postponed to next year. 2011 world champion Yohan is hoping assistance will come, especially for the athletes who are on the verge of starting to make significant earnings.
For many athletes, I could say majority of the athlete, this is their earning platform, and for me, I would say it will hurt in many ways, not just only track and field, but the domestic workers, each and everyone. So I'm not too complaining because everyone is feeling the pump, but I hope like the J3 and all the IAF or the IOC can just put something in place to help all the athletes that not everyone is running at a high level that is earning a lot of money, but I hope they can put something in place so they can not give them back everything that they would lost, but at least something for them to look forward to.